Hello student, welcome to the online class of chemistry. Today we are going to study packing of particle, that is in crystal lattice. What is this packing of particle? You know that crystal lattice, it is an arrangement of particles. These are some lines, lattice network, and the smallest unit of this lattice, it is called as a unit cell. The smallest repeating unit of crystal lattice, it is called as unit cell. Now in this unit cell, these particles, they are arranged at various positions. Suppose this particle is arranged here, everywhere. So this arrangement of particle at various positions in the unit cell of crystal lattice, it is called as packing of particle. Packing का मीनिंग होता है अरेंजमेंट. पार्टिकल डिफरेंट पोजीशन पे अरेंज होते हैं. वो जो अरेंज होती है उसे कहा जाता है पैकिंग कहा जाता है. और ये जो अरेंजमेंट है, जो पैकिंग ऑफ पार्टिकल है, ये 3 स्टेजेस में होती है. स्टेप बाय स्टेप ये अरेंजमेंट हमको स्टडी करना है. वो 3 स्टेजेस कौन से होती है? फर्स्ट स्टेज इज क्लोज्ड पैकिंग इन वन डायमेंशन. Depending on dimension. So depending on one dimension, first type of packing is close packing in one dimension. Number B type of packing, again it is close packing. All packing they are closed but in 2 dimension. So second is close packing in 2 dimension. And C, it is again close packing. But this type of close packing is in 3 dimension. 3D जिसको बोलते हो, 3 dimension. So packing of particle in crystal lattice, it is take place in 3 stages. वो 3 stages में होती है. Close packing in 1 dimension, close packing in 2 dimension, close packing in 3 dimension. तो आज हम अभी ये तीनों भी स्टेज स्टडी करते हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेज देखते हैं हम close packing in 1 dimension. It is very easy and simple stage. So ये फर्स्ट स्टेप जो है close packing in 1 dimension. ऑलरेडी हम पहले से बता रहे हैं जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, these particles they are spheres, they look like spheres. पार्टिकल्स एटम्स होते हैं, आयंस होते हैं, मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं, उन सबको हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं स्फीयर से. अब ये स्फीयर को कैसे अरेंज करना है? क्लोज पैकिंग इन 1 डायमेंशन. मींस इन दिस टाइप ऑल these sphere they are touching to each other in a one row, single row. They form one row. एक ही रो बनती है in which all sphere they touch it to each other. In this way, suppose this is any sphere, this is central sphere. This sphere it touches directly to 2 sphere. ये 2 sphere को टच कर रहा है. Therefore, its coordination number will become 2. What is coordination number? It is the total number of sphere which are directly in touch to that central sphere. It is called as coordination number. So here in close packing in 1 dimension, the coordination number is 2. और ये होती कैसी close packing? All the sphere they touches to each other in one row. This is close packing in 1 dimension. ये इतना ही होता है. अब हम second. So now we are seeing close packing in 2 dimension. So in 2 dimension means there is x-axis and y-axis. This close packing in 2 dimension, it is of 2 types. First square close packing and second one is hexagonal close packing. First we will see square close packing. In this type of packing, the sphere of one row, it is just below or just above the sphere of another row. Means all these row they are kept above and below. All these row they are arranged horizontally and vertically. Both directions they are arranged horizontally and vertically. Means sphere of one row it is below the sphere of another row, or sphere of one row it is above the sphere of another row. If suppose this row is A, second row is same as that of this, therefore it is also A. Third row is also same A, and fourth row it is also A. So this type of square close packing it is called as AA type of packing. Its second name is AA types of packing because all the row they are similar. Next thing, suppose this is central row. We will see this coordination number. This row directly touches to how many row? ये directly कितने row को touch में है? This is first one row, this is second row, this is third row, and this is fourth row. अगर आप इसको लाइन से कनेक्ट कर देते हैं तो आप देखेंगे ये बन जाता है स्क्वायर। इस टाइप के पैकिंग को कहा जाता है स्क्वायर क्लोज पैकिंग। और स्क्वायर क्लोज पैकिंग का कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर, द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ द स्क्वायर क्लोज पैकिंग इट इज 4। This sphere is directly touches to only 4 sphere, therefore coordination number is 4. This is square close packing, also called as AAAA type, and its coordination number is 4. Second, hexagonal close packing. In this type of packing, in this type of arrangement, the sphere, this is one sphere, its crest or its trough, suppose this sphere will consider, the crest of one sphere, the crest of one sphere, it is in between the trough of two sphere. These are two sphere, their trough, and this crest, it is in between the trough of these two sphere. Such type of packing is called as hexagonal close packing. Means if one row is a row, then second row is not a row, it is slide some distance, वो कुछ distance आगे चले जाएगा. This row is B row. Again the third row is same as that of first row, therefore it is A row, and if fourth row is there, it is B row. So this type of packing is called as AB type of packing. The first packing is, it is AA type of packing. This type of packing AB type of packing. इसमें कैसे अरेंजमेंट होता है कि एक स्फीयर का क्रेस्ट मतलब ये अपर पार्ट, और दो स्फीयर का जो ट्रफ है, जो लोअर पार्ट है, वो एक दूसरे को टच करते हैं। एक का क्रेस्ट दूसरे के ट्रफ में एडजस्ट होता है। इस टाइप के पैकिंग को बोलते हैं हम हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग। व्हाई हेक्सागोनल? सी दिस स्फीयर इट इज डायरेक्टली इन टच टू दिस 6 स्फीयर। ये स्फीयर डायरेक्टली 6 स्फीयर से टच में है, लाइक दिस। हेंस दिस टाइप ऑफ पैकिंग इज कॉल्ड एज hexagonal close packing. Now its coordination number. Now since this sphere is directly touches to 6 sphere, its coordination number is 6. See the points of difference. Coordination number of square close packing is 4 and coordination number of hexagonal close packing is 6. These are the packing arrangement of particle in 2 dimensions, on x-axis and y-axis. Now the third type of packing, it is closed packing in 3 dimensions. We have seen 2 dimensions, square closed packing, and in 2 dimensions, hexagonal closed packing. Now stacking is placing one above the another, एक दूसरे के ऊपर रखेंगे. This is a layer of square closed packing. That is AAAA type. Now in this type of arrangement, a second layer, same layer of this, it is placed behind this layer. इस लेयर के पीछे हम एक सेकेंड लेयर बनाएंगे, लाइक दिस इज वन स्फीयर, सेकेंड स्फीयर, थर्ड स्फीयर। ये एक लेयर हमने बना दिया पूरा, पीछे पूरे बैकग्राउंड में एक लेयर रहेंगे। इसके पीछे एक और लेयर बनाएंगे, 1 2 3, और यहाँ पे एक और स्फीयर रहेगा, लाइक दिस। हियर वन स्फीयर, हियर। दिस इज कंप्लीट स्फीयर। अभी हमको आधा ही दिख रहा है, आधा पूरा बैक में है, पीछे। सो दिस अरेंजमेंट इट इज रिपीटेड हॉरिजॉन्टली and vertically behind this first square closed layer. हम इसको रिपीट करेंगे, like this and this. This is one sphere, like this. All sphere they are behind the another sphere layer. So finally this is last. This type of packing. अब हम इसको join करेंगे पूरा. This is first front face. This is one edge length. This is another edge length. इसको आप टच करेंगे, this becomes upper face. आप इसको बॉटम में लाएंगे, वन एज लेंथ, ये एज लेंथ को कनेक्ट करेंगे, दिस इज साइड फेस एंड इट लुक लाइक ए स्क्वायर cubic shape. This is cubic shape. Its coordination number here, its coordination number is directly in touch with 3 atom in this unit cell and 3 more atom at the side of this unit cell. Means its coordination number will become 6. Coordination number of this atom sphere present at this corner. This type of packing again it is called as square close packing, but it is in 3 dimension. इसे हम 3 डायमेंशन में कहते हैं। फ्रंट में जो एक लेयर है वो स्क्वायर क्लोज लेयर है 2 डायमेंशन में, हमने उसको रिपीट किया बैक में, तो ये बन गया स्क्वायर क्लोज लेयर इन 3 डायमेंशन. First, suppose this is a layer, second is also a layer, third is also a layer, fourth is also a layer. So this type of packing is called as a type of packing, just like previous in 2-dimension case. So this is stacking in square closed layer. Now next be stacking in hexagonal closed layer. This is one hexagonal closed packing in 2 dimension. In this one layer it is slide over the another layer. इस पैकिंग को हमने नाम दिया था AB टाइप. नाउ इस पैकिंग को ही हमको करना है हेक्सागोनल क्लोज लेयर को एक और लेयर उसके ऊपर करना है. अबोव इट a layer of hexagonal close packing, it is kept above this layer of hexagonal close packing like this. This is one sphere, this is another sphere, this is third and this is fourth. Next repeat करेंगे. This is one sphere, this is another sphere. It's like this, like this. So आप देखेंगे जो ब्लू कलर के आपको स्फीयर दिख रहे हैं वो बैक साइड में चलेगा, वो 2 डायमेंशन में. उसके ऊपर हमने एक और लेयर ले लिया हेक्सागोनल क्लोज लेयर, तो ये 3 डायमेंशन में हो जाएगा. So this type of packing, it is stacking in hexagonal close layer. First layer it is A type, then this is B type. So it is AB type of packing. This is AB type of packing. It is called as hexagonal close packing in 3 dimension. अब इसमें 2 points आते हैं. First, say this. Suppose this is one sphere. एक sphere है बैक में. Above it 3 sphere are kept. इसके ऊपर हम 3 sphere रखेंगे. Like this. So 3 sphere they are kept on one sphere, and due to this empty space is formed. यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं आप एक खाली जगह empty space बन गई है. This space empty is called as void space. This type of void space is called as tetrahedral void. This is tetrahedral void. How it is created? When 3 sphere they are kept on one sphere, it created a tetrahedral void. Second category क्या होगी? Suppose these are the 3 sphere. ये 3 sphere एक दूसरे को टच है, ऑलरेडी वहां पे void है. अब इसके ऊपर हम और 3 sphere रखेंगे. 3 more sphere they are kept like this. So 3 spheres they are kept on 3 sphere. Again it created a void. फिर से यहाँ void बना. It is somewhat small void. This is bigger, larger void. This is small void. This type of void, which is formed with the help of 6 sphere, it is called as octahedral void. Octahedral void. When 3 sphere are kept on 3 sphere, it creates octahedral void. And when 3 sphere are kept on 1 sphere, it is called as tetrahedral void. The 2 type of void are created in hexagonal close packing in 3 dimension. So this is close packing in 3 dimension. Okay student, now the last case, it is same close packing in 3 dimension. In that second case is stacking in hexagonal close layer. इसमें हमने क्या किया था? आपके सामने एक आपने हेक्सागोनल लेयर बैक साइड में है जो कि आपको ब्लैक सर्कल दिख रहा है. दिस इज ए, दिस ब्लैक, ब्लैक. एंड सेकंड अबाउट दैट another layer of hexagonal close pack is kept. That layer it is seen by blue sphere. ये जो ब्लू कलर की स्फीयर दिख रहे हैं इसको हम बी लेयर बोलेंगे. सो ए लेयर पूरी ब्लैक स्फीयर की है, उसके ऊपर बी लेयर आ गई है ब्लू स्फीयर की. इसमें 2 वॉइड बने थे, एक टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड, एक ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड. Now the third case, same this hexagonal close layer. Now the third hexagonal close layer is placed on these 2 layer. पहले हमने A लेयर लिया, उसके ऊपर B लेयर रखे, अब उसके ऊपर एक और लेयर रखेंगे हम, placing third hexagonal close layer. It will look like this. First, this is blue layer, above that black layer, above that blue layer. See this one blue, second blue and third blue. ये 3 ब्लू जो है इसके ऊपर हम एक ब्लैक रखेंगे. See, these are one blue, this is second blue, this is third blue layer, blue color layer. उसके ऊपर हमने एक ब्लैक रखे, ना सेम उसके साइड में तीन और ब्लू है, 1 2 3, इसके ऊपर एक ब्लैक रखेंगे हम. थर्ड अगेन 1 2 3, therefore one black. Below that, these are the two black. Below this one black, this black. So in this way, we will kept the third hexagonal closed layer above this A and B layer. This next layer will become C layer. So this type of packing is called as ABC type of packing. Again, it gives hexagonal closed packing structure. This is final. We are placing third hexagonal closed layer above the second hexagonal closed layer. This complete, that is packing of particle in cubic lattice. Okay.